shooting up. I'm so glad I got this on video. Ah! Holy crap! This is awesome!
Wow.
Ah! Ah! This is amazing!
How do you do that?
Ah! These things are gigantic. Ah! Yes! I can't wait to put this on YouTube! Wow! Those look like the ones from Minecraft! This is awesome! Oh, whoa! That's bright! That's crap! Oh, that's going high! So hey guys, this was the day we got a hamster, named Midnight, and it's also the 4th of July. Well, I know we didn't record us going here and stuff, but we're not that type of channel, you know, like, whoa, that's right. That's right. Whoa. Oh, that's awesome. Awesome. This is awesome! Don't worry guys, I started recording this just in time. There'll be another clip of fireworks if you look in hey, wait, get out of my way. Thank you. Whoa. Whoa, bam, bam! See this guys? See another video that I made? I accidentally turned off the phone, so there'll be 2 videos of this. But don't worry guys, you didn't miss much. You didn't miss much, only just a couple of fireworks. Just plain ones that just went up in the air and just went like a little pop.
Oh, my legs hurt now.
Whoa.
Wow, nice. Nice picture.
Out of my way. Recording here. Thank you. I'm recording here. Fireworks shows are awesome.
They're like those metal balls that they're just like.
Bam! Boom! Boom! Out of my way! Bam, bam, bam! Okay, guys. Well, that one was a cool shape. What? Fireworks shows are amazing. Look how close we are. It's only burning me. Just kidding. I just super zoom in. Recording there. Please.
You guys see?
I can since you're out of the way. Thank you. Oh. It's like was red and then it turned green and then. These are loud. Well, you guys tell me what you want to see next, video games or anything. Awesome. It's going up. Boom. Ow. Whoa. They're just spamming these things upward. It's like cookie clicker. What? They just keep rapid firely spitting them out. Whoa, these things are amazing.
See that sidewalk? Side. See if they have another. Oh, right there. Sidewalk.
That's just a small baby one. Let's see what. Happy 4th of July, everybody! What? That looks like a weird smiley face. It's like I'm shooting a gun.
Sidewalk right there. Two of them right
So guys, if you missed the 4th of July at all, which I bet you didn't, here you go. They're going up. Bam! Yeah. Ah.
That was pretty loud.
Awesome, awesome. Cool, 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 cool. Oh dang, I'm too zoomed in on that person's shirt.
Guys out there.
Those are all just puny small ones. No, they're growing! They're small, they're growing, they're small, they're growing, they're small. Okay, guys.
Wait, I want to see the one.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, woo! What? Oh, they're just splitting up! Whoa! What? See them going up. This is crazy. Well, we got some dude going up. Wow. They're getting bigger. Wow. And this time I'm not zooming in. Ah! Oh, some over there. Hey, stop just getting distracted by the small ones.